Hello besties, welcome back again to our channel. Welcome to Yamuso Network. Here we enjoy content on agriculture, food and travel. Kindly like this video, subscribe to the channel and feel free to comment on anything you'd like for us to present. On today's video, we are going to speak about cattle farming in South Africa based on an information session presented by a farmer called Blecker at his farm in the Northern Cape. South African cattle farming, commercial cattle farming, is one of the most lucrative businesses in agriculture, with farming practices from meat farming, milk produce, and others even crossbreeding farming. In South Africa, we have an estimate of 40 different kinds of breeds you can find in the country. To name a few of these breeds, we have Aberdeen Angus, Beef Masters, Nguni Kettles, American Brahmans. We also have Bonsmaras, which is one of the most registered breed in South Africa. Interesting one is the Simmentala and the Brahman, which together produced a crossbreed of Simbra. This is one of the most successful crossbreed in South Africa, as it resulted in exceptional award-winning breed in South Africa. The Simba breed is known for its good quality meat, its adaptive traits, good parenting abilities, and resistance to different pests and diseases found in South Africa. The information session was very informative, as focus was on profitable cows in South Africa and the worth of a good bull. We also learned how to identify a cow's condition and well-being through its body structure and features. Just take a look at how the cows were sectioned according to their breeds as they were being prepared for auctions. In commercial farming, it is important that cattle are registered for a brand mark. This is for identity and ownership measures. This is a requirement for trade and also auctioning procedures in South Africa. Auction sessions are available at farms and can be hosted at different farms and also online, organized by different farming associations. The Youth Day was very informative and delightful date for farmers. My greatest aspiration is to see young people being involved in farming, cattle farming, as farming is life. Please feel free to subscribe to the channel and come back for more content. Thank you.